Hello to everyone. This is my video to motivate people to learn the English language. The first suggestion is you want to open to the world to most study English because it's ours to expand your knowledge and learning about new cultures and customs. Second, don't not miss on global events. You can learn English and be constantly updated to participate in pleasant conversations and get your point of view clearly and effectively. The three suggestions. You feel that your brain is running out of battery. You must learn English as an extraordinary tool to exercise your brain and talks about mental illness. Other reasons because the people is necessary or the most English learn English is the common with color English and dictation and fun way because they have to disposal daily practice at home in the moments many opportunity for learning English, for example virtual and didactic course, teacher, personal teacher, everything opportunity for the learning English. And the other possibility they suggest the learning English is because the English is the language universal in the world in the moments for the events for the social rights, so is the economic is necessary for the people and the person is all opportunity and new jobs. Thank you. Good night.